Open Obsidian and navigate to the vault where you want to use templates. Then open the settings by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. From there, select Core Plugins and scroll through the list until you find Templates. If the toggle next to it is off, click it to enable the plugin, then close Settings. Back in the File Explorer, right-click anywhere in the sidebar, choose New Folder, name it Templates, and press Enter. Open that folder, click the New Note button, name it Meeting Template, and press Enter. Inside this blank note, type the headings you want for every meeting. Meeting details, agenda, discussion, action items, and follow-up. Obsidian automatically saves as you type, so you don't need to press any save button. This is your first template and it's ready to use. Templates eliminate the repetitive work of typing the same structure each time. By inserting a pre-made format, you jump straight into capturing content instead of rebuilding headings and sections from scratch. This is especially valuable for notes you create regularly, meetings, projects, daily planning, or any recurring format. To use your template, open the folder where you want the new note, click New Note, give it a name like January 15th, 2024 meeting, and press Enter. Open the command palette with Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Type Insert Template, and select the Template's Insert Template option. Choose Meeting Template from the list, and Obsidian will instantly paste all your headings into the note. Now you can replace the placeholder parts with actual information. Fill in the date, attendees, agenda topics, and action items. The heavy lifting of formatting is done in one click. The real magic happens when you create templates for other common note types. Close the current note and navigate back to your templates folder. Create a new note called Project Template and add sections like Overview, Objectives, Tasks, Resources, and Progress. Every new project note can then be created with this structure, ensuring you never forget to log milestones or track key resources. For daily notes, create another template with today's goals, tasks, meetings, notes, and journal. This turns your daily log into a consistent planning habit. You can extend the same approach to weekly notes, book notes, research notes, or class notes. The key is to keep each template focused on one purpose. A meeting template shouldn't try to also be a project tracker. Dedicated templates stay clean and easy to fill out. One common mistake is storing templates outside a dedicated folder. If you scatter them among other notes, the Templates plugin can't find them, and you'll have to manually copy and paste. Always keep them in that single templates folder you set up in Settings. Under Template Folder Location, select the folder you created. This configuration tells Obsidian exactly where to look when you use the Insert Template command. Another pitfall is overcomplicating a template up front. Start with just the headings you actually use regularly. If you only need 3 sections for a meeting, don't add 10. You can always add more later as your workflow evolves. Similarly, if a section becomes irrelevant, remove it. Templates should support your process, not constrain it. As your vault grows, templates create consistency across hundreds of notes. When every meeting note follows the same format, scanning past discussions or comparing action items becomes effortless. You can even link templates to other plugins like Daily Notes. Once you enable the Daily Notes core plugin and set a template path, each new daily note can automatically load your daily template with 0 extra steps. This saves seconds every day, which adds up to real time over weeks and months. To keep your system efficient, review your templates every few weeks. Work changes, and the sections you needed last month may now feel bloated. Add new headings like risks or next steps if projects demand them. Remove sections you never fill. The best templates evolve alongside your habits. Finally, make it a habit to insert the template immediately after creating a new note. Don't wait until you're halfway through typing. Inserting early ensures the structure guides your writing, keeping each note complete and consistent. You now have a repeatable automated system for note creation in Obsidian that saves time, reduces mental overhead, and makes your entire vault easier to navigate. Whenever you start a new meeting, project, or day, open a new note, run Insert Template, and your structure is already there. Save this video or bookmark the steps so you can revisit them as you build your template library.